Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to do determiners. Now, determiners is a very important topic for the students of 9th as well as 10th CBSE. Board exam में determiners will come for around 2 to 3 marks. Even for 9th CBSE, it is a very important topic. अब articles A and the determiners होते हैं, demonstratives, this, that, these, those determiners होते हैं. possessives, for example me, my, his, her, ये भी determiners होते हैं. Indefinite pronoun, अब एग्जाम में आते हैं indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns मतलब some, any, much, many, few, a few, little, a little. So ये सारे ना टीचर के फेवरेट होते हैं और ये एग्जाम्स में आते हैं. So you people should know the difference between few, a few, little, a little, many, much. So इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू रिगार्डिंग आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू लिटिल अ लिटिल फ्यू अ फ्यू मच मैनी. ये सारे डिटर्मिनर्स आज हम करेंगे इन दिस वीडियो. Now, what is the difference between little and a little? अब देखो little a little is a very important determiner. ये exam में आएगा. Now you should know that little or a little we always use with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns क्या होते हैं English में? Uncountable nouns वो nouns होते हैं जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते. For example, milk you can't count. For example, sugar you can't count. So अगर एग्जाम में तुम्हें जो नाउन दिया है तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन में वो अनकाउंटेबल है, दैट मीन्स यू पीपल हैव टू यूज लिटिल और अ लिटिल, नॉट फ्यू और अ फ्यू. फ्यू अ फ्यू काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ आता है, लिटिल अ लिटिल हम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. Now, what is the difference between little and a little? अब देखो, for CBSE board, they'll give you determiners in MCQ format. So the teacher will give you little, a little. CD में they'll give you few, a few. So you people should know that when to use little, when to use few, when to use a little and when to use a few. देखो little और a little में यही difference है. Little is used when your answer is negative. तो अगर तुम्हारा आंसर नेगेटिव में है, यू मीन ऑलमोस्ट नन और नॉट इनफ, in that case we will use little. For example, I have little sugar left, that means there is no sugar left. So if your answer is negative, if your answer is zero, if you mean almost none, then in that case you have to use little in case of uncountable nouns. और a little हम कब यूज करते हैं? We use a little when our answer is positive. तो अगर तुम्हें क्वेश्चन दिया है एग्जाम में and if you think the answer is positive, use a little. If you think that the answer is negative, use little. तो little हम कब यूज करेंगे? A little हम कब यूज करेंगे? A little with uncountable nouns and a little when our answer is positive. When a little means some बट नॉट इनफ. तो थोड़ी क्वांटिटी तो है, अगर थोड़ी क्वांटिटी है तो अ लिटिल का यूज करो. अगर तुम्हारे पास बिल्कुल भी क्वांटिटी नहीं है, इफ योर आंसर इज जीरो, इफ योर आंसर इज नेगेटिव, यूज लिटिल. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिटर्मिनर. सो ये एग्जाम में आता है, टीचर का फेवरेट है लिटिल अ लिटिल फ्यू अ फ्यू. सो पहले मैं डिटर्मिनर्स में इनसे ही स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, सो यू पीपल आर वेरी क्लियर विद ऑल दीज डिटर्मिनर्स. सो तुम्हें इतना याद रखना है, लिटिल हम अनकाउंटेबल के साथ यूज करते हैं, अ लिटिल भी हम अनकाउंटेबल के साथ यूज करते हैं, लिटिल हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन आवर आंसर इज नेगेटिव और अ लिटिल हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन आवर आंसर इज पॉजिटिव. व्हेन क्वांटिटी इज enough, we will use a little. When the quantity is zero, we will use little. तो ये स्क्रीन पे मैंने तुम्हें एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं. So it depends on the question and they will obviously going to give you hint in the question. ठीक है? I have a little sugar left is also correct and I have little sugar left is also correct. So the teacher is going to give you some hint in the question which states that the answer is negative or positive. So don't worry about that. Then we come to few or few. Few we use with countable nouns. तो little a little few a few का difference, main difference यही है कि little a little हम uncountable nouns के साथ use करते हैं और few a few हम countable nouns के साथ use करते हैं. For example, there are few pencils in the cup. So what is the difference between few and a few? Same difference. Few when your answer is negative. When your answer is zero, use few. और अगर थोड़ी quantity है, when your answer is positive, then in that case, boys and girls, you people have to use a few. For example, देखो, you can see on the screen, few is equal to almost none. I sound negative when I say almost none. And a few when you have small number but not enough in quantity, then we will use a few. तो तुम्हें ऐसे याद रखना है, few when the answer is negative and a few when the answer is positive. Okay. For example, there are few pencils in the cup. मतलब ना के बराबर पेंसिल्स है. Few students pass the test. मतलब very very few. मतलब almost none pass the test. I'll use few. There are few pencils in the cup. There are a few pencils in the cup. मतलब कप में थोड़ी पेंसिल्स हैं. अब देखो एग्जाम में few भी आ सकता है, एग्जाम में a few भी आ सकता है. तुम्हें क्वेश्चन में हिंट दिया होगा. Read the question properly. Understand the question properly. If you think the answer is in positive, then use few. If you think the answer is negative, use few, and if it is positive, use a few. So that is the difference. These determiners are very very important, exam में आते हैं. तो ये डिफरेंस अच्छे से समझ लो. लिटिल अनकाउंटेबल के साथ यूज होते हैं, फ्यू काउंटेबल के साथ यूज होते हैं, लिटिल फ्यू नेगेटिव के साथ यूज होते हैं, अ फ्यू हम पॉजिटिव के साथ यूज करते हैं. Now we come to much and many. अब much and many are very very easy. Much हम कब यूज करते हैं? Much हम uncountable nouns के साथ यूज करते हैं और many हम countable nouns के साथ यूज करते हैं. For example, there is much traffic on the road. So we are talking about traffic in this question. Traffic is not countable. It is an uncountable noun. We are not going to go in the traffic and we are going to count the number of vehicles. So it is uncountable. So अगर question में uncountable noun दिया है तो much use करो. अगर question में countable nouns दिए हैं तो use many. For example, I have many apples. Apples are countable. I use many. Now I can't say I have much apples. अब देखो ये रूल्स ना तुम्हें एरर करेक्शन में भी वो लोग पूछ सकते हैं. Obviously, CBSE में we have error correction also. Even in Gujarat board you have error correction. So all these determiners they can also ask you in MCQ format, in fill in the blanks as well as in error correction. There are many students in the class. I can't say there are much students in the class. Q because I can count the number of students in the class. I will use many. So that's the basic difference. Much many बहुत ही easy है. Much many exam में आ सकते हैं. Now we come to most versus all. अब इंग्लिश में हम most कब यूज करते हैं और all कब यूज करते हैं. अब देखो most we use most when we are speaking in general and we do not have a specific group of people or things in mind. Most means majority of. So when you cover 90-95% of something, you use most. And when you cover everything, मतलब nothing is left behind, you have covered everything, you will use all. So most versus all. Most and all are also very easy. Most हम कब यूज करेंगे इंग्लिश में? जब हम 90-95% चीजें कवर कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से most people like pizza, now that doesn't mean that 100% people like pizza. Some of them might not like pizza. So I'll say most people like pizza. I can't say all people like pizza. अगर मैं बोलूँगी all people like pizza, that means nobody is left behind. Everyone 100 में से 100 को पिज्जा पसंद है, पर ऐसा नहीं होता. तो हम most कब यूज करते हैं? most हम तब यूज करते हैं when we cover 90-95% of the quantity. And all हम कब यूज करते हैं? when we cover 100% of something, nothing is left behind, we will use all. For example, all the apples are gone. Now if you people can see the presentation, you can see the boy with the basket. The basket is empty. There are no apples left behind. So if nothing is left behind, you will use all. Most of the students are doing well. That means 95% of the students are doing well. 90% of the students are doing well, not 100%. So most when the answer is not 100% and all when the answer is 100%. So with this, boys and girls, we have covered all the important determiners. और भी बहुत सारे determiners हैं that you people have to see my video 2 of determiners. So in this video, I have covered a few मोस्ट, ऑल एंड मच एंड मेनी। आई होप तुम्हें ये सारे डिटर्मिनर समझ आए हैं। अगर नहीं आए, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क योर डाउट्स इन द कमेंट।